Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to go to app.leonardo.ai, and once you're there then you should be met with a screen similar to this. What you're looking for is the image creation option. You can click on the icon here, or on the left hand side in the menu you can see image creation there. We'll go ahead and click on that. And then from there, you can see that we have already generated some examples here so that you have an idea of what the results are like. And for this, all I did was I just typed in here a YouTube thumbnail for a video titled How to Make YouTube Thumbnails. And there is here, you can see just below that, this is the prompt that the AI generator used. Basically, you can set that up so that way there is a they'll take your prompts and they'll make them more detailed so you get a better result. So you can see here a colorful and eye-catching YouTube thumbnail for a video titled How to Make YouTube Thumbnails, featuring a large, bold, modern sans serif font with the title in a bright electric blue color taking up most of the frame, etc., etc. So that gives you an idea of the prompt that it uses in order to get the results. And the results here are pretty awesome, I think. Sometimes you're going to find that there will be misspellings, and that's just the nature of the beast. So you're going to have to go through and figure out which one of these is going to be the best. So this one here, you can see that there's a misspelling right there, but this one here seems to be okay. And this one as well seems to be okay. This one here, they forgot the word make, so it just says how to YouTube thumbnails. But these two here are quite good and totally usable. So that gives you an idea of how you can make YouTube thumbnails for yourself using Leonardo. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like and subscribe for more helpful tips.